Yes, some people. So from you see the thumbnail and the title, then you know where this video is heading to. So please remember to like, share, drop a comment into the comment section. Also remember to subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I upload any new contents. So yeah, viewers and subscribers. So O'Neil Bryan, popularly known as Elephant Man. Yes, so my viewers and subscribers, we all know that he was charged last year by the Jamaican police for making a false declaration and a false volunteer declaration. You understand? It is alleged that he violated the Jamaican Immigration Act, viewers and subscribers, specifically Section 8 and Section 5, which stipulate that arrivals in Jamaica must make a truthful declaration to the immigration officers about their recent travel history. You remember them time, the viewers and subscribers, when the government I say everybody must disclose them travel history because of the corona pandemic and the rise of cases in other countries. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, at them time there. So Elephant Man went to Belgium and lied to the immigration authority, saying that he didn't go there. And at that time, viewers and subscribers, Belgium was on the list of countries that Jamaica has imposed a travel ban on. So viewers and subscribers, this case was stalled for one whole year, viewers and subscribers. Jaja, may I tell you now about Jamaican judicial system? It messed up. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, a court date was set for April 28th, which was last week, Wednesday. His attorney is Christopher Townsend. So when them appear in the court, viewers and subscribers, the lawyer Christopher Townsend requests to see the videotape. You understand? Just to see what transpired in the immigration hall on Elephant Man's arrival from Europe a year ago. But here and now, viewers and subscribers, story come to bump. Cause the tape where the prosecution come up with are the wrong tape. Jaja, Jamaican system is a shame. You understand me, my people? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, the lawyer said they have been asking for the tape for the longest while now. And because of the length of time, they became suspicious, viewers and subscribers, that they could have been presented with a makeup tape. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean? A edited tape. So the lawyer stated in his own words that after a year, the prosecution gave them a tape of a store that looks like a pharmacy. So viewers and subscribers, right there so now, me I say to myself, how on earth could the prosecution make such a mistake? You understand? The next thing them goodly come say is that the tape can no longer be extracted. Now tell me now, viewers and subscribers, if them people are now play with the thing, if a them people here, the system put in place for prosecute we, then Jano, I'm sorry for Jamaica. Jaja, it's just a pity, viewers and subscribers. So anyway, a new date have been set for the case to continue in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish on May the 12th. Yeah man, at them time that the case are going to continue, viewers and subscribers. But really and truly, when you look on this case, it's like, Jano, Jamaican system gone to the dogs. You understand what I mean? Cause if a them thing the prosecution them are going with, them thing right now a total foolishness, total stupidness. You understand what I mean? And worse, a 1 year now. As on the hear where the lawyer say from day one, he was suspicious for the length of time. You understand what I mean, people? And then at that you know go come up with as big representative of the government of Jamaica. You understand what I mean? John Star. Jamaica set away right now. I don't know how we are going to come back, my people. You understand? One thing me I said to our viewers and subscribers, you better Elephant Man they just tell the truth from then and then. All of this would not happen today. You understand what I mean? But you don't know, big up the artist same way. You don't know bad artists from them time there. Yeah, them man they help bring back the dancing in a dance hall. Yeah, you don't know from Bogo them time, yeah, the legend. So you understand what I mean? So you don't know enough mad respect out there for Elephant Man same way. You understand what I mean? But right now the system look like them a try fight him for something. When me even know cause it's not at the end of the day like Elephant Man or one of them artists they will say, yo, you know say a badness of me thing. Me I wanna know my people. A girl thing them man they depend. A dancing thing them man they depend. You understand what I mean? Even though you don't know say nothing on to go on for the artist right now, but you don't know in a film days. You don't know the artist did a shine from Scare Them crew coming up. You understand what I mean? Yo, me no know what do them high society people, your viewers and subscribers. Why them a try fight dance also? Why them a try get out the dancehall youth them? Dancehall is one of the genre where help put Jamaica on the map. Just like the athletes them, etc. You understand me viewers and subscribers? Wanna free up the man and allow the man now, man. You understand what I mean? But you don't know at the end of the day, them a do them thing and Elephant Man a do him thing. So you don't know. I'm mad respect for the artist same way. And just go and large up yourself and just know say at the end of the day, the race is not for the swift, you know. But it's those that can endure it. You understand what I mean? So you don't know. We now make the Babylon system get with them. You understand what I mean? So you don't know Elephant Man. Bad artist from long time. You can imagine viewers and subscribers that this case lasted over a year, viewers and subscribers. Jaja, Jamaican system, shake up. So as when I say, big up to the artist. Yeah, you don't know, just go and call up and just see him because you don't know, Jana left we out in a nothing. So, viewers and subscribers, that is my intake on the situation. And yeah man, I will definitely keep you all posted. So just remember to subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification, like, share with a friend, drop a comment into the comment section, and you don't know me people. Bless up on yourself viewers and subscribers. Peace, I'm out.